Arcano Studios.
Hey guys, it's me, IRL Noella, and today I will talk about the peeing sound effect from Mizuna. It's from a video called It's Locked, Gotcha Omarashi, Gotcha Pee. That video was uploaded a few hours ago. The duration of the sound effect is 0:39 to 0:42. Look at the comments. They did very well on the comment section. The Lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. Also, this sound effect was very short. So, yeah. Remember, kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, okay? It starts on 0:39 and ends on 0:42. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later. Bye!